I love you too. Usually there's not anything on it to buy. Where'd he go?
I don't know.
He's under there. You filming me instead of filming him.
I know, but she was funny. I hear him right here.
How was that? Not little feelings, big feelings now.
Did you find something to play on?
Where was that lady at? He wants you to chase him, Mommy.
Rawr. 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 All right, bye.